it's me, Tilly, and I'm in my kitchen, surprise, surprise. Now today I'm going to cook a Cioppino, which is a fisherman's stew which originated in the Italian-American community in San Francisco. Oh yes, San Francisco, Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz, streetcars, and the bloody fog. My version is cooked in a village in Wales in the arse end of nowhere. But the important thing about this is the sauce. So let's get on with it. In this here large pan I'm going to throw in 25 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Turn on the heat. When the butter's melted, we're going to add in 5 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, 1 stick of celery, roughly chopped, 1 small onion, roughly chopped, and 1 green capsicum, deseeded and roughly chopped. Now cook this gently for about 6-7 minutes. After 6 or 7 minutes you can see the onions going translucent. Now we add in half a litre of fish stock, a 400 gram can of chopped tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, or actually I prefer balsamic vinegar, 100 ml of white wine, a tablespoon of sugar, this happens to be caster sugar, and you can add in a teaspoon of chilli flakes, or I'm just going to be lazy. Season with S&P, give it all a good stir, and then bring it to the boil. Once it comes to the boil, turn the heat down and let it simmer gently for 30 minutes. Simmer, simmer, bubble, bubble. Now if you've a mind to, you can make your own fish stock out of the heads of the prawns if you can get shell on prawns. Mine comes in cube form. Cube! Right, next I've got 6 chunks of sourdough bread. Sorry, I'm just eating the crust with some butter. I think somebody else wants some sourdough bread. Toast them, then rub the toast with the cut end of a piece of garlic. Both sides. Oh, nearly lost it down the hole. Then you can pop the slices in a delightful serving basket. What do you mean you don't have a serving basket? What is wrong with you? Okay, time's up for the sauce. It's time to add some seafood. So we've got our sauce. Now you can use whatever fish or seafood you want into this. It's whatever you can get, whatever's available. It doesn't matter. I'm using what I can get at my local supermarkets. I'm adding 250 grams of cod loin cut into chunks, 125 grams of cooked mussels because I can't get fresh, and 125 grams of king prawns. Give it all a mix, pop on the lid and cook for 5 minutes. That's all. Now if you can get mussels with shells on, by all means use them. If you can get prawns with shells on, by all means use them. If you want to use scallops, by all means use them. If you want to... No, don't use those. To serve, sprinkle on some parsley and serve it with your sourdough toast in a basket. Now alternatively, you can put a piece of the sourdough toast in a bowl and spoon the stew on top of it. Personally, I prefer the crunch and dip method. Join me next time in my busy kitchen with me tickling hard. Until then, bye y'all. Sourdough!